Guys, welcome back to my channel. Continuing with admission, profit sharing ratios we were discussing. Now here is the case 5 for profit sharing ratio where it's given that Z is taking his share from all partners in which ratio? Let's see, X and Y are sharing profits and losses 3:2. Z is admitted for 1/4 share. But here it's given that Z's 1/4 share, how X and Y are giving, that is in the ratio of 2:1. What is 2:1 given over here? That is given their mutual sacrificing ratio. If I have to do the point of premium for goodwill, then premium for goodwill would be distributed among all partners in which ratio? That is 2:1. But the point here is to calculate their, let's suppose we need to calculate here is new profit sharing ratio. For the calculation of the new profit sharing ratio, first of all, we need to find out what is their sacrificing ratio from the original share. So here X sacrifice, how we can calculate? He says Z is admitted for 1/4 share which he takes. Z's 1/4 share is given by X as 2:1. How much X is giving out of the 3? That is 2. So 1/4 share, how much sacrifice done by X is 2/3, and Y's sacrifice here would be Z's share is given by Y in which ratio? That is 1/3. He says Z is admitted for 1/4 share which he takes from. What he takes? That is his share. He takes from X and Y in which ratio? 2:1. So how much share is given by X? That is 2/12, or we can say equally 1/6 also. And how much is given by Y here? That is 1/12. So to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, we need to deduct from old ratio the sacrifice. Old ratio minus sacrificing ratio will give you your new ratio here. So in this case, where X old share was 3/5 and Y's old share was 2/5, how much the sacrifice is done by X is 1/6. How much sacrifice done by Y is 1/12. Taking LCM over here, we got the value that is 13/30. Taking LCM over here, we got the value that is 19/60. For the new profit sharing ratio, Z's share was 1/4. Now, here the highest goes with 60. We need to make them 60. The value would be 26/60 here. Here also we need to make a valuation of 60 with what we will be multiplying here, that is 15, to get a 60 over here. So 15/60. Now what is the new ratio amongst X, Y and Z? Here is 26/60, 19/60, then we have is 15/60. So what is the new ratio among themselves? That is 26:19:15, in which they would be sharing profits in the new partnership firm. So again, when you are provided with that how X and Y sacrificing on Z's admission, you will multiply Z's share with the sacrifice done by old partner. And here in this particular case, again we calculated sacrificing ratio to calculate our new profit sharing ratio. Otherwise, if we have to do the point of premium for goodwill brought in by the new partner, then this was not required. That must have gone in which ratio? 2:1. That is their mutual sacrificing ratio. So this is the case 5. Thanks for the day. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Accountitude keeps going.